How to enable or disable Google Autofill sync preferences to other devices on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and then tap on more privacy settings. Now tap on autofill service from Google. Then we scroll down and tap on preferences. In here, you need to sign in with a fingerprint or use PIN. And then tap on sync preferences. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And here said turn off sync. This device will stop syncing autofill preferences. Previous preferences won't be automatically deleted. And then tap on turn off, or you can switch it on. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.